난 눈을 떼지 못해 내게로 매력적인 이 모습에 홀린 채.
Hi guys, long time no see for a makeup tutorial because I have not filmed one of these in a very long time. But today we're gonna do my makeup according to what I learned at the Ancci Brush store in Korea. The guy who owns the store is a literal brush genius. I went in and I waited for an appointment, and he will literally teach you how to use each brush or pick out the right brushes for your skin type, and he'll teach you how to use it for your face shape. So let's get started. Number one is foundation. Well, I did a bit of concealer under my eye already, but now we're going in with foundation. For foundation, I bought this brush. It feels really high quality, and guys, the brushes were not cheap. I'll give you like a roundup of all the brushes I got, but for now we're just gonna go this. And for foundation, he said to go in circular motions. He said to drag and to not to dab. Just drag it all over my face.
Close your eye. So same summer season, hot weather. So semi-matte is okay. Try to start by finger.
Actually, I do like the glow more. It makes you look more youthful. Yeah.
Okay. Foundation and then blusher. I'm sure you will like the glow finish. You told me you like matte finishing.
It's too dry. He said this brush is especially good for people who have a dry skin, or if like you're in a drier climate, then this brush would give you a natural, glossy, dewy, hydrated finish. As you can see, no dry patches. Next up, this is the blush brush. I haven't been using this a lot because I've been using a lot of Fui blushes, and I just like dab it with my finger, but for the purpose of this video, we're gonna use all his recommendations. So, blush brush. And I'm gonna use this flower nose brush. Oh, blush. He used a peachy color on me, but I don't have a peachy color. So we're just gonna go with this. Okay, so the blush goes like this for daily makeup. He said to just do it right here. Cute. Do it again on the other
Yes,
side.
of course, when you use bronzer, it's okay. But for daily makeup, lotion, glow finishing. Yeah, sure. In Korea, the winter coming.
Yeah, New York too.
Winter coming.
Yeah.
So dry weather. So
Yeah.
glow finishing is better.
Yeah.
Summer season.
Next up for contour, he said I have a wider face here. So, well, you can't really tell on this camera right now for some reason, but I do have like a wider face.
Sorry. Here. Because your face is a little bit wider here. So contour here.
Please make my face smaller. So he said to contour this way up here and this way down here. So let me just show you. And in circular motions, he said do not swipe up and down, just go in circles over here.
And use contouring on this side.
Did you see these? So, and then circles up here.
And the face start here. And back. Here. Do another blusher in your face.
Okay, I can see it. Contour done.
This is it. You have to scale shape. So make egg shape. If you touch here, your face will be peanut shape.
Oh, peanut shape?
Touch here.
Like he just told me not to touch this area. Only focus on this and this. Or else I'll turn into a peanut. He said if I accidentally contour here, I will turn into a peanut face. So my face will turn into a peanut, and we don't want that. The beauty standard, the ideal beauty is like a oval egg-shaped face. And yeah, well, I have a square round face. So that is why I got chin fillers, guys. It looks so good. Okay, next up, nose contour. I really like the way he contoured my nose. So let me just show you. So he starts here.
Start here, not here.
He doesn't go too far, the contour.
If you need more higher nose, tell me. I try to make more higher nose.
And this is the nose contour brush that I bought. Guys, do you see that? And from the side, it looks super natural. Okay, I also really like the way he did my nose highlight, so let me share all the secrets with you. I've never put highlighter on my T-zone. See my nose? I got a nose.
You need more higher nose?
I think it's okay. Yeah, I think it's okay.
Try to make more higher.
Oh, more higher is better? Is it better?
Look.
Okay. Flat nose. Get nose filler. Nose filler?
Different hair. I use the same color, so make it natural look, make a little bit stronger. And then if your between eye is narrow, this one is better. Make it smaller. So yeah, this one is okay. Between narrow, this one is this place don't use like this. In this case, there will be line here. See, make
Using Bobbi Brown highlighter. It's nothing too shiny, but it glows. And he went like this. Guys, a little up here, and on the chin. Guys, you see that? It's glowing. It's glowing.
Don't go hospital to make higher nose.
Let's just make that.
Processing now.
Next up, for some reason, we're going with eyebrows next, which I usually leave until the last, but he said just to go super natural with the brows, and I just need to go like very slightly longer, like 1 millimeter, which I don't even know what 1 millimeter is. So we're just gonna eyeball. Yeah, okay.
In your case, the mountain is okay, but 1 millimeter.
Okay, this is not 1 millimeter. This is usually how long my brows are. Get rid of some of that.
1 millimeter high.
I think that's 1 millimeter, right? Oh, more arched.
And over eyebrow and over blush contour match like this. And then your face line is also much better.
Okay, time for eyeshadow. With the biggest blending brush I have, he said to, what did he say? All over my lids.
It's okay, but in this case the wavy line here makes me
Both my lids. So for my eyes, because I have small eyes, he's trying to make them bigger. Now we're gonna go in with a pearl shade. Oh, pearl. I don't know what he said, but it's like this is the matte, pearl, and then glitter. So we're going with pearls. It's basically like how fine the eyeshadow is. Matte is obviously the finest, and then it's like the medium fine, and then wait, no, it's less fine, and then like coarse glitters. And that he said to put right here all over my lid, but stopping right above my crease. So
again, more youthful, I think.
stopping right above my crease.
Right.
When open, you can see 2 millimeter more from holding line. When close, almost half.
The colors I'm using are not as bright as the ones he used on me. So the makeup's gonna end up looking a little different. So yeah. Next, he said to put the glitter shade
And then later, below also.
in the middle.
And then in the eye.
It does look bigger. Oh my god. Oh, I like
Wait,
that.
it looks bigger.
He didn't apply eyeliner in the front?
No, you didn't apply anything.
Oh.
Look up.
Next up, the Aegyosal. I'm gonna use this shade. He didn't say to do this, but I like doing this. I like to just like highlight it a little, the Aegyosal, with a little eyeshadow pen. And lastly, eyeliner. He said to not make my wings too long, which I usually like to do. So we'll listen to him for this video.
The eyeline about 7 to 8 millimeter. And then the line you put up. Look up. Keep trying.
Here's the eyeliner.
Because you're trying to do wide.
This is definitely longer than he recommended, but I'm not gonna erase it. We're just gonna go with it.
It's much bigger.
Yeah.
It is much bigger. Wow. Wow. I think that is it for the eye makeup. Super natural. This is meant to be an everyday makeup, that's why.
Silver tone. And then lip. And then peach tone. Mr. Peach color.
I never thought of using peach. Yeah, we don't like peach normally. But I don't know, maybe you'll start liking
In the video, he said to use a peachy color for my lips, but I don't have that. So I'm just gonna use this. This is the Fui Pudding Pot.
this one. It's a nice brush. Ooh.
yeah, that is the finished makeup look. Let me take this hair down. I forgot to put on lashes, so I'm gonna quickly do that. So this is the finished look. I forgot a few extra steps that he did not do on the video because he's a brush expert and not a lash expert. So I added lashes and I put colored contacts on. What do we think? I will say my base is super glowy. It's really nice. And that's all props to this brush. Oh, let me just give you a roundup of the brushes I got. So this is the foundation brush, highlighter brush. I forgot to do highlighter here. That's fine, there was still some leftover product. Yeah. Highlighter brush, nose contour brush, blush brush, eyeshadow for like the crease area. This is for the pearl shadows. And then I think this is a concealer brush. I don't know what this is. But yeah, these are the brushes, and I spent almost $100 on these brushes, so they're definitely super high quality, and I'm gonna use them for a while, so yeah. If you're in Korea, check out Ancci Brush Store and get yourself a free makeover. This was free, I'm telling you, this whole lesson was free, so obviously you have to purchase a few brushes to help out, right? Okay, that is it from me today, and I hope you enjoyed. I hope this was informative, and if you're in Korea, check out Ancci Brush for a free makeover and free lessons. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.